Alright guys, we are right now in the process of making some changes. Let me just increase the sound, like the volume. Maybe this one is better. So just a little bit. Okay, so yeah, mainly is this website right now is mainly based on widgets. So all of those changes are everything that you can see right now is widget based. So this one is widget, this one not actually, this one also as well, and all of those like widgets. So that's the reason why I'm right now inside the widget section. So right now I want to make some small changes because I've had the Figma design right here, or the idea to make the widget title, or nobody can see me right now. Oh, it's better. So yeah, so give the how can I explain it? So because there is a big misconception or a confusion out there with the widget title. You can choose make some changes for the what I'm doing right now. Yeah, I need to go back then to typography, and inside here, inside widgets, right, we are above here, there's the font manager, and underneath there's the typography manager. And yeah, you can add a typography, I would say specification, or I don't know, whatever. And now you can select or choose any specific element you want. And also you can customize the top bar, which is this one down here, and also the widget title. And now many people ask, there is no widget title out there that to build inside the or to add inside the Gutenberg customizer for it, right here also. So the thing is that you need to put a widget group inside. If you do that, let me just show you widget group, then you will get this one right here. I don't know why this is actually that, but then you can, for example, can choose anything you want. Let's choose an image, and it doesn't even matter, but right now you got a title. So let's just remove this one. This one is absolutely not usable right now. Or for example, a title. You can, now I thought, okay, we've added a title, but it's not the case, because this title right here, now okay, it works. This title right here is just a heading, but not inside the code. So we want to have a widget title originally. So if we do that, add a widget group, then we get the final widget title, and also inside the code. Because if we look inside the DevTools, of course we need to refresh, then we get this one. Then you can just hover over it and you can see this one, it's called widget title. And also what I learned right now is, if you want to give the title right here a additional class, I don't know, it does not work, or not in a shorter time, because sometimes you people say, of course you need to wait, that CSS class take a little bit of time. So but I don't want to wait. So yeah, just go inside the DevTools and look what's the class of that specific element, and then you know exactly, okay, perfect, and then just write a code. And what I have done right now is I've added the widget title inside here and gave it a different color, right, as we want to have it inside here. So okay, that looks great. So of course we want to change the text. So let me just put this one right here, and then change the text. So this one, okay. And the same is like with the, if you look at this like editor interface right now, you can see there is space, and don't get confused or anything, because this space right here you can change or define inside your like edit widget title inside the typography manager. So if you open this up, you can see bottom margin, and so then you can choose your bottom margin and this one will disappear. So yeah. Okay, so let me just duplicate this one, because you want to have like more of them. Also one last time. Open it up. Oh, I'm lazy. I want to just copy paste it, so let's just do this. And yeah, for this one there should stand top, and in here there should be okay, perfect. For this one we just copy paste. Okay, and for this one oh my god. Okay, now I've seen that there is, okay, now it's okay, perfect. Yes, so let's just update it and let's have a look what will happen. Okay, so now it's like a little bit, I would say, yeah, not how we want to have it, because yes, so how can I say what's okay, as you can see right now, there I would say this one is like space in between, or no, this one was like created with like a grid, but we haven't created, oh no, let me, yeah, just leave. But we haven't created this one with a grid, so this one is like the first footer widget, and this one the second, and this one the third. So yeah, what we want to do is, of course, now whatever, I would say just look at the container, or look where the padding is. Okay, right now you can see there's this yellow block, and that's like most of the time the given spacing. So if we go to layout, you can see there's 30, right? If you make it to 0, then it's gone. And of course we can try it out, for example 10. If it's look great, then we can, yeah, I would say 10 is, it's perfect. Or there is a bigger gap, but so let's just give it 15. Yeah, okay, let's just like choose 15, and you can now like choose the block 36, or use the class, right? Because yeah, it doesn't matter what you need, what you like select, but it's important to select the right one. So if you click on footer widget 2 and there's no margin, then just click through the other ones, and then you will get. And also we want to like work smart, and because we know that all of those following widget containers, I will call it, also have that problem with the spacing, and so we want to look for a similar class that also affects the following ones. So yeah, just copy paste it and go to ChatGPT and write okay, so you can see it's like super simple and small. So, and that's absolutely, yeah, great to use it. So now I get a little bit confused right now because okay, this one should be outside, and okay, now it's better, and this one is okay. Let's just go inside the appearance, not customizer, though of course customizer, and additional CSS. Go underneath and just add the margin right here. Margin bottom, you can see it shrinks, and yeah, this one should also get more space, like more like that logo right here shrinks like too much, so we need to give it a minimal size. And why can I do that? Oh, of course in here I would say. So I would, yeah, say this one looks great, but yeah, I think because these three widgets should be, wait a second, is there anything inside? No, inside the fifth also not, but why? We can open, there's a paragraph. I remove the paragraph. What will happen? Nothing. Okay. Okay, because in here there is we give it a, okay, if we make it like 20 viewport width, okay. Interesting. If we then go back and change it to 10, will it, okay, it will then no, I would say remove this one, updating it, look at this. Okay, now it's like that. I have no idea how big it right now is, but we can see it's like 205 pixels. And I would say it's like a good size, or yes. give it a, wait a second, spacing, nope. Of course we can give it a margin of 10 pixels. But what will happen with the size of the logo? Nothing. Why? No, okay, it's fixed. So this paragraph right now, if you, oh yeah, I would say, if you ask yourself, okay, why there is spacing, because if we look at typography, base, right? The base and body means like it also affects the, or it only affects the paragraph, or I have no idea. But yeah, if we change this one right here, you can like just show you, you can see literally literally everything like changes. So yeah, let me just do it like back to 50, 500, and yeah, you can see there is a margin already. So if we made it to 0, then you can see, okay, now it shrinks to 0, but this one not. Okay, interesting. If we open it up, okay, but what is when we 1.5? Okay, nothing happens. Bold, normal, default, 500. I would say we can also give it like 0.5 or just 1. Yeah, because this one is like a little bit too big. I would just give it like 1. Okay, publish, then go back to the like logo and give it also 1 EM. Update and refresh the page. Now this space should be the same as for the icons, and this one as well. Let me just go inside the dev tools and look at this margin of the icon, because this one got a outer margin. No, this one, what? Oh yeah, all of them got one, but this one didn't. So 12 on a 1.5 EM. Okay, so then we want to affect only this one. So there's the thing. Okay, no, it's perfect because the class is literally different. It's like a different one. So then we can just give it like also a 0.0. Yeah, so a 12 pixel or 0.0 EM bottom margin. Yes. Okay, that looks great. So let's just go. That was not my plan. Go inside the customizer, additional CSS, then go down here, like bottom, and just add this one inside. Hit publish. You can see everything is aligned, so that looks great. Now we have like 2 things left. The first thing is how we can like find the problem why this one is like a little bit yeah, stick together, or we look for the option right here. I think this one is faster, or because we've made some heading 5 or heading 6. What is better? Heading 6. There's the thing, because if we look, yeah, now we can like exactly customize the heading 6, for example, right? Because if we go inside, yeah, the typography section and then add like the typography for the H6, for example, then we can exactly, for example, we can change the font, but we want to have it also Montserrat, and yeah, made 600 maybe, because this one is like also 600, I have no idea, maybe, but it should be like different. So okay, yeah, so that's okay. 20 maybe we will see, and also 50 or 15. I don't know, we'll have it 16. Let's choose 15 and look. Okay, this one is also 15, right? 2, this one, the, oh sorry, yeah, I need to look at not base content, nope, here 16. Okay, so I will give it also 16, then there's no difference between the sizing. Or we will make it 17, but now it looks okay. Yeah, that this one is of course too big, like literally this one is too big, so let me just change it to H6, hit upgrade, update, and publish it. Now okay, it looks decent. So yeah, let's just add the missing one. So I need to put it on the second desktop. So we will look. Okay, we have this one. Well, this one. Okay, just duplicate it a second time, and writing. Okay, nothing happens. Ah. Okay. Okay, this one. Also this one. Okay, perfect. So just for a example reason, we are adding a like imprint page and just publishing it, then going back, and then we will link it to the widget. So third one, this one, link it, imprint, and you can see this one is a page. So yeah, let me just publish it, but this one, yeah, I should actually remove that thing, but I want to make like an error right now, because yeah, okay, because this one is like also linked or like not defined with a different like color. So we need to go also inside the customizer, and let me just refresh it. And then we need to go to the, is it layout or, oh wait a second, oh I had it right now in my head, but is it this one, or why can't we change this one? Colors? Yeah, colors. So footer widget, link. Okay, there you go. Yeah, we can like leave it like that, and yeah, if you hover over it, you can, like, me just make it like 50. Okay, then publish it, and of course there is like this underline thing. If you go to general and make it like never, then it will remove. So, but yeah, but I don't want to make it like on the whole page. I just want to make it like for these things. So if we go to the typography again, to the widget, sorry, to the H5, and then to no, nothing happens, default. How can we do that? Normal, or what's the way how? To just change this one. Default, okay, color is already changed, but how can I, maybe there is a option for this one. Flex child, or whatever. Yeah, let's just yeah, deactivate it completely. So never, and updating it. So now it's gone. And yeah, remove the other one. So this one also, and so okay, now upgrade. Okay. Okay. Now I can give it like to all of them. But yeah, now they're standing impressum as well. So there I need to change it to this one. Oh, that was my mistake. So I need to, of course, selecting it, right? Then hit enter after it, after I change it. Okay, now this one looks also great, and for this one the same. Remove this one, adding it AGB, and yeah, okay, let me just do it for every navigation contact, and for the first one also changing it to partner, enter. this one and also this one. So okay, publish or update and hit refresh. Now it looks great, but now oh yeah, what is this? This one is the H6, right? Should it be where we have, oh yeah, right here. We also want to make it like, no, it's not completely. I think, of course, I can say right now there like that all of those 5 navigation points should be like space in between from the top and to the bottom, so it fills like completely up the height of the containers. But is it really necessary? So I would say just, yeah, it looks also great. Yeah, okay. Last thing for the footer right now is to find the mistake or the problem why it's not completely taking the space. So maybe we will find it inside the customizer if we go to layout and footer contained. Yes, also a great point to say is footer widget, right? Here, for example, that's the reason why you like footer 4 or footer 5 is not is showing, or it's not like available. If you put something inside here, you will not see it, because in here there is set the widgets to 3, so only 1, 2, 3 is visible. But yeah, if we make it like 2, then you will see that the 3 is like, the third one is like gone. But okay, because you want to have it exactly like this one, like it's right now, right? This, like, where can we do that, or how? Because three footer padding, top, bottom, right. Back to the top. I think everybody is already knowing that. It's like this button right here. Just disabling it. Wait a second, what was that right now? Okay, nothing. Okay. Contained, oh yeah, sorry, there was this one. Full. Nope. Like, one solution I have in my mind to give the, like, to look in the dev tools, right? And then finding out, oh, I need to refresh. Oh, I need to publish. And then look how the widgets are called. So for example, this one is like the footer widget 1, this one the second, and this one the third. But yeah, all of them are given the same size. So this one is called block 27. This one, okay, 20, like 36. Okay, this one was not a good idea, but we can, yeah, use this footer. Okay, So to give like the footer widget 1, for example, a percentage of, I would say, 20, for example, this one can get 10. Wait a second. Because of the navigation, we cannot do anything right here, but what will happen if we do this one? Okay. But it not really like solve our problem, yes or no? If we do this to every... Wait a second. Before we do that, I want to look if we can make that change inside the typography manager. Letter spacing. Nope, nope, nope. Of course not. Line height, bottom margin. Okay, forget this one. Then let's try it out. So justify text. Nope. Left or right, sorry. Right. Right. Update. Publish. Okay. Now it looks like this. But it yeah, it should be like aligned to the left. Then I would say the solution would be to give, yeah, this one 10%. Oh no, 10%? 10%, no, 20, 25, 20? Because if we give it like 20, we can give this one 50, and this one, no, this one can like take 5 or 10, no, 5, this one gets 50, 550, it's 80, right? So this one will get 80. Like 15, 80 and 5, 15, 80 and 5. So yeah, let's go inside the DevTools and again looking at this, but it should, of course, it should only affect the desktop layout, right? That's also important to say. All right, so yep, we need to go back here. Okay. volume and also this one should be like contained. But what is this? I not understand. Oh. Sorry, okay, that was my mistake. This one is like the, yeah, my fault. Maybe this one is like already the right code, but like the thing on the top. Wait a second. Yeah, this one. Okay, nothing happens, right? Okay. Still grid container. Wait a second. Optimal für Verteilung. Okay, let's see. Maybe this one. It's still not. Container ist container with and contain to activate. Okay, so layout container and separate what? Because this one affects like every other yeah thing in here. When you set it like to contained, it's like the same, it will be the same width as this one, because these are like connected together if you set it to contain, to contained. So yeah, what can we do? Test a CSS selector. Okay, use important for this option. Still nothing. Let's try this one. Also nothing. Okay. Like, just have this one inside your head if you want to, yeah, if you want to, or if you want to understand why it's not working, because then we should drag a little bit deeper. So maybe this one is not affected, but because it's the false container. What is this? This one looks a little bit, because this one got like margin, oh, padding as well. So maybe this box or this block is the one, but that's that's stupid, because yeah, in here we have like 3 of them, 3 different one, and I can't like, no, in here is more complicated because they are way more. Headline class, no, that cannot be true, but yeah, why? Heh. Like, can you take some informations out of this code, like that outer HTML code? Okay, let's just try the first one. So if we, okay, what is this? What's happening? Secondary navigation, what the hell? For the widget? Okay, that's crazy. Oh, of course. Because we made also some changes. Yeah, that's the thing. Oh man. But they are not ready. Wait a second. If we make some changes right here, does it mean it will not appear inside this the DOM system or the DOM structure? It should be, right? Okay, that's interesting. Okay. That's interesting. Like if we are adding some changes inside here and they will not affect or like are add inside the HTML elements. That can't be true, right? Or is it because like the structure of WordPress is like a little bit different? Like that's like something I got, like I don't know from what kind of YouTube video, but because if you visit a WordPress website, that there's like in the first place a request made like to the HTML, and then afterwards there are like all of those things that we've added inside the additional CSS, like inside here, are like lazy loaded. Like of course there are already lazy loaded images, or not images, like most of the time there are images, but okay, that's interesting. Hmm. We go to the widgets and add a third widget. For example, we are putting a H2 inside. upgrade and publishing it. Of course, as I've said, that nothing will appear here because we should go then inside the customizer. Is it layout? Footer? Yes. Then we need to activate the third one, the fourth one. Then it will appear. But we want to have it. Or no. If we like made this whole block centered. Like this whole block, or oh, the inner widget. This one got margin left 40. Okay, that's interesting. I don't know why. The footer side, footer with a widget container. Wait a second. I need to refresh and look it again. It was this one, right? Padding 40, but it wasn't this. It was this one. So if we make it like to 0, for example, yeah, it will like go to the right more. But now, is it aligned to the content? Yes, not really actually. Yeah, that's the reason. How we can how we can set, because yeah, this one got, let me show you, 4D padding. What the hell? If we make it to 0, then it will be aligned. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. If we made it to 0, and for this one, if we wait a second, what just happened to the text? Okay, nothing. But yeah, we need to remove the 0 padding on the right, on the left. And for this one, what we can do is, there's also 40, but that's maybe the separator of, but for the left, or also like for these, for how can I say it, like for those elements, they are on the outside, like on the border side left and on the border side right, they should not have a padding on the specific side. So that's absolutely nonsense why they have, why this one is having 40 padding on the left. Yeah, and then it will go more to the center, and it's not aligned with the whole container, so it makes no sense. But with the other ones, what can we do there? There's also 0, we have like 50, okay. Maybe if we looking through it, and I think I have it, like the widget inner padding widget block is our problem. because if we tag this one and all of, like, it's also inside this one and also inside this one and also inside the following ones, right? If we tag this one and say that it should get 10%, because this one got 40 padding on the left, which should stay, I would say, because this one is also, I would say, 40. Yeah, so this one, so this one should be on the right side. But if we just say that that container is getting what, 5% width instead of like 386.667, I think this one will automatically be happy, because then it will, yeah, have more space. Okay, let's try this one. And if not, I will end this video because we are already above 1 hour. So yeah, let's just try it first. So let's just go up, like before the error or the problem has started. Yeah. Send. Okay, then again, go to the additional CSS and let's see if I was right. What the hell? Wait a second. Eh. Eh. Secondary, okay. Okay, yeah. Eh? Where's the code? Ah, okay, it was this one, okay. So, just like this one, right? Okay, now it's like absolutely... What the hell? What's happening? Okay, so it's the false one. Inner padding. Alright. So what we need is maybe... And we will try this one out. It's okay. Remove this one. No, nothing happens, right? Okay. Huh. Oh, I cannot see it really good. What is this? GP heading. Okay, but it's an H6, right? So this one is an H6. this one as well. So man, this is not the same. Or if that's okay, let's just try something, because maybe that's the first one. The second one is this, right? Yes. Oh, so this is the third one. This one is the no, this one is the third one. Okay, so then this one, and now the last, this one. Okay, okay, Zend. All right. Still nothing. Perfect. Oh man. Okay. Now I forgot what I want to do, like, because of this one. No way. No, that cannot be true. No. Okay. Oh, I need to refresh the page. What was that? Wait, oh man. Okay, nothing happened. Okay. Ah man, I forgot like something that I want to continue if this one is not working. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's it. I hope you got like something out of this video, maybe if you watch it. And if yes, then thank you for your attention and have a wonderful rest day and stay healthy. Bye.